Jai Sanskar. Till the time we have seen that India is a democratic country and how elections are considered as a barometer of democracy. We have also seen how, according to adult suffrage, any person above 18 years of age and has his own name in voters list can cast a vote. Our next topic is on page number 94, public opinion in democracy. We have democratic country. The candidates who win election represent the peoples. The representative system, the ruling party would like to regain and retain its power. Regain એટલે વળી પાછું એ પાવર મેળવવાનું અથવા એક વખત પાવર જે છે એને જાળવી રાખવાનું, ટકાવી રાખવાનું. Okay, the regain and retain is its power. It becomes essential for political party to connect to the people, to maintain the government. To maintain and run the government, it is essential to consider public opinion and thought for forming policies for various questions pertaining to any problem or many problems. Public opinion is highly essential for political parties, representatives and organizations. Collectively, public opinion is extremely important in democracy. Democratic country ની અંદર public નું શું opinion જે છે that is very important, because certain times આપણે જોઈએ કે કોઈ એક વ્યક્તિ જે છે એ representative બને, then after એ people કે citizens જે છે એની જે રિક્વાયરમેન્ટ હતી કે એણે જે વિચાર્યું હતું એની સાથે જો મેચ ના થાય, if the work the particular person does is not matching with the ideas that he had made or promises which he had made, then there is dissatisfaction and there is more chances that once again that person will not get elected. Strong and organized public opinion is very important in democracy. Malfunctioning of government can be represented through public opinion. Public opinion help in creating such a condition where the government cannot afford to misrule or neglect the country. Alert and intelligent public that keeps itself informed cannot be misled by government. Certain time what happens, fake publicity is done, fake promotions are done. Sometimes the numbers or digits of information are hidden or misleading information is given. So alert and intelligent citizen will understand that whatever the news we are getting, whether it is from WhatsApp or media or a news channel, so the intelligent citizen will only understand that the whatever news is coming which is true or not. Okay. Various medium in modern time have proved to be very important in creating public opinion. Let us obtain detailed information of this medium. There are various medium. It could be from the television or news channel. It could be from the newspaper. The message we do receive from the WhatsApp. There are many ways of gaining information around us. There are different sites on internet to search or serve for the required result. Media of public opinion in democracy. To cultivate human psyche and create a strong public opinion, the various information and broadcasting agencies are very useful. In today's time, various mediums are used to transmit information to the public. These mediums contributing to build a strong and effective public opinion are. So, to build a public opinion, we must do agree at one point, right? So, if one person has certain ideas, if that person will not share those ideas, then how other will know about his idea? Okay, so these different media, for example print media, newspapers, for example broadcasting channel, they cultivate the public's opinion and they show us these are the different way to think in this particular problem, and out of them the one which occurs right to us, that only we will choose, right? But information is actually gathered by this kind of people. First one is print media. In today's world, newspaper, periodicals, journals hold utmost importance in facilitating people to know more about incidences. Various person, famous person ne tame juo, they will say that reading a newspaper on everyday basis, which is considered as a really good habit. Nowadays newspaper is also available online, also offline, so you can find your way to get updated yourself with the current affairs or the what are the things which is happening around you. In newspapers there are certain parts like first page હશે એની અંદર સૌથી વધારે important news હશે, same goes with last page ની અંદર એ important news હોય. then there is a તમારા region ની આજુબાજુનું કોઈ news છે એ વચ્ચેના pages ની અંદર હશે. so that is how a newspaper is formed in such a way that it has all the information divided into parts. So journals and periodicals and newspaper hold utmost importance in facilitating people to know more about incidents, events and situations taking place nationally as well as internationally. Print media helps people to evaluate their opinion either in favor or against the information presented by them. The same information presented by the print media can create multiple viewpoints in the people. People give different individual response to some information and develop individually diverse opinion. જે information આપી છે એમાંથી તમે તમારો diverse opinion જે છે એ create કરી સકો. that means આવું આપ્યું છે मतलब આ સાચું છે એમ નહીં, આ આપ્યું છે તો આ વસ્તુની information કેમ નથી, અથવા શું given information છે એનો મતલબ આ પણ ના નીકળે. that means interpret કરવાનું જે વર્ક જે છે એ છે વ્યુઅરનું કે રીડરનું. એ પોતાના ઇન્ટેલિજન્સના હિસાબથી જજ કરશે કે એ ન્યૂઝને કેવી રીતે જુએ. It is essential that opinion created are true, firm and unbiased. તો જે ઓપિનિયન બતાવ્યા હોય એ બાયસ્ડ ના હોવા જોઈએ, and no, it should be firm. If the print media presents biased or false detail, then it is possible to create false public opinion. It is absolutely essential to have freedom of press so that false public opinion is not created by presenting only achievement of the government and thereby hiding the fault, failure and shortcoming of the government. Ours is a diverse nation in terms of language, culture, religional varieties. The regional newspapers are much sought after in corresponding regions. Regional newspapers then have immense contribution in cultivating public opinion. Print media has failed in cultivating public opinion in countries and regions having less literacy rate. In spite of these various organizations, industrial groups, political parties publish their own dailies or periodicals owing to the influence exerted by printed material. The government also publishes various periodicals and issues providing important information. Certain tenders જે છે, ગવર્મેન્ટના ટેન્ડર્સ છે, ઓનલાઈન જ્યારે નહોતું થતું ત્યારે કોઈ જાતનું સિલેક્શન છે કોઈ ગવર્મેન્ટ જોબ માટે, એના બધાની ઇન્ફોર્મેશન ન્યૂઝપેપરની અંદર આપવામાં આવતી હતી. સો ઇટ વોઝ યુઝફુલ ટુ ધ પીપલ ફોર ગેટિંગ ઇન્ફોર્મેશન અરાઉન્ડ અસ. બટ પ્રિન્ટ મીડિયા વોઝ અ હ્યુજ ફેલ્યુઅર વેર પીપલ આર નોટ લિટરેટ. લખતા વાંચતા આવડતું જ ના હોય એ લોકો માટે એ ઇન્ફોર્મેશન કોઈ કામની બનતી નહોતી. સો these are the limitations of print media. Otherwise print media જે છે proper opinion જે છે પબ્લિકનો એ ક્રિએટ કરવા માટે એક યુઝફુલ ટૂલ છે. Electronic media. Audio visual media like radio, television, cinema are important in cultivating public opinion. Electronic media is more effective in regions of lower literacy rate. જે લોકોને લખતા વાંચતા ન આવડતું હોય એને જોતા ને સાંભળતા ન આવડે એ તો શક્ય નથી. જો કોઈ જોઈ અને સાંભળી શકે તો ટીવી છે, રેડિયો છે, એના થ્રુ એક ઇન્ફોર્મેશન જે છે એ ગેઇન કરી શકે. It is seen that radio and television are considered as a far more important than newspapers and periodicals. Live telecast of incident occurring nationally as well as internationally can be easily made available through medium of radio and television. Public opinion can be created through serials, dramas, movies, which can help portray socio-economic as well as other problems like untouchability, dowry, exploitation and poverty in entertaining manner. તો જે ન્યૂઝપેપર ને સિરિયલ નાવડેઝ એવું કાંઈ નથી રહ્યું. સર્ટેન પોઈન્ટ્સને લઈને આવવામાં આવે છે ક્યારેક સિરિયલ્સની અંદર. અધરવાઇઝ ખરેખર યુઝ શું હતો કે ટેલિવિઝનને એના થ્રુ સર્ટેન અનટચેબિલિટી છે, પોવર્ટી છે, કઈ કઈ પ્રોબ્લેમ્સ બીજા લોકો ફેસ કરે એને આપણે સમજી શકીએ. ધેરફોર દેર ઇઝ અ મીડિયા. સો એ એન્ટરટેનિંગ વેની અંદર બતાવે સો દેટ વી અન્ડરસ્ટેન્ડ વોટ આર ધ પ્રોબ્લેમ્સ other people are facing, right? So this was a motto of electronic media, to give information to the people who cannot read or write. In today's world, apart from television, the arrival and spread of internet has helped people to enjoy news, serials, dramas and movies sitting comfortably in their home. All these media can create an adverse effect through presentation of distorted, absence or violent information. Hence, it is essential to monitor and control transmission of harmful content through this important medium. In democracy, it is desirable that the political parties and NGO protests against various options or violent program telecasted by the electronic media. So, ન્યૂઝની અંદર ઓર ટીવીની અંદર જે કાંઈ બ્રોડકાસ્ટ થાય, ઇવન તમે કોઈ મૂવી જોશો તો એના સ્ટાર્ટિંગમાં એક સર્ટિફિકેટ બતાવવામાં આવશે. સો ઇફ this certificate is there, then only that movie can be telecast or broadcast from the source. Okay, so there are even a jury of a member who decide that given picture is okay for which age group. Okay, so if internet is also using this, then internet does not require any person's authority or what we say, if a person is want to put a video of anything, he or she can put it on Instagram, YouTube or anywhere. So whatever the content inside this video is not checked by any other person. Sometimes what happens, anything which is offending other religion or offending other political party or something like that, that kind of thing can also happen. Okay, so therefore there should be certain parameters and according to that only the information should be given. Today, in fast fast moving age of technology, people can stay in constant touch with each other through the medium of internet or smart cell and exchanging thought as well as ideas. Electronic media is widely used to cultivate public opinion. Television, radio, personalized radio, FM plays a special role in cultivating public opinion in modern times. In today's time, rumors spread instantaneously in absence of fact and details. આપણી પાસે વોટ્સએપમાં એક મેસેજ આવે, આપણને જોઈએ ના જોઈએ 50 જણાને ફોરવર્ડ કરી દઈએ, દેટ ઇઝ નોટ ગુડ. આપણે એ ચેઇનનો પાર્ટ થઈ જઈએ, આપણે રોંગ ન્યૂઝ જે છે એને સ્પ્રેડ કરીએ. સો આઈડિયા ઇઝ આપણી પાસે જે ઇન્ફોર્મેશન આવે એને આપણે જજ કરીએ કે કેવી છે, આને સ્પ્રેડ કરવા જેવી છે કે નથી, એનાથી કોઈને હાર્મ થશે કે નહીં થાય. નાવડેઝ કોમર્શિયલ્સ પણ ઘણા બધા આવે છે કે ફેક ન્યૂઝ બી હોઈ શકે તમારી આજુ. સો ફર્સ્ટ થિંગ ઇઝ ધેટ યુ શુડ ચેક વેધર ધ ગિવન ન્યૂઝ ઇઝ કરેક્ટ ઓર નોટ. Hence, there remains a danger of false public opinion being generated. Various types of surveys are carried out by electronic media, help create public opinion. Surveys are carried out to know the public opinion with the help of some details. Opinion polls are presented during the election. Opinion polls help to estimate the direction of public opinion. Opinion polls are not always true and reliable. Obviously, polls je levama ave that are not always true, not always reliable, but they give somewhat hint of public's opinion. Electronic media are very important in today's time. In democracy, the people and the government should exercise patience. Electronic media help to transmit public's thought, detail and talk to the government, and similarly helps transmit details about various plans and achievement of government to the people. Radio can reach in distant and remote areas, but as it is only audio media, it has been less effective. Television program, though expensive in nature, have gained more public viewership than radio. In democracy, it is desirable that public opinion should be cultivated so as to cater to the needs of welfare of the nation. It is huge requirement that government should know that what are our thoughts, what are our wishes that can be fulfilled by the political leaders, etc. So this is a media which is being a medium between the voter and the ruler, or voter and the political leader. So this is how it is helpful. Radio, by being just an audible device, it is not getting so much popularity, but television is considered as a more effective electronic media for pertaining the public opinion. Okay, and that's all for now. Next would be next session. Thank you.